sit together and let's have a bonding time reading a book. Because as you know, reading opens up a world of new opportunities and takes you places. Reading helps with neuronal connections, and reading helps your child succeed in school. So let's read our simple book this morning. Of course, before we get started, I want to check in with you on whether those labels are up in your house and whether you're increasing the number of labels you have so that your child makes the association between that particular object and the word that describes it. So keep labeling, keep playing those games, keep reading. So start with your child, helping that child to recognize the cover of a book, and this is the front cover and the back cover. Help your child to recognize how to open the book and how to orient the book. Orient it so it's oriented correctly. This is our book for this morning. We're going back to our babies. And today we are talking about reading about global babies. Global babies. Babies are so beautiful, innocent, and precious. Wherever they live, Guatemala, Thailand, wherever they go, Greenland, Mali, whatever they wear, USA, India. What do you see that's different between these two babies? Look, one baby has a hat on his head and the other doesn't. Look at the outfit. Lots of warm clothing, and this baby looks nice and relaxed. The baby from India. Whatever they feel. South Africa, Fiji. Babies everywhere. Peru, Afghanistan, are beautiful. USA, Malawi. We get to learn some of the countries of the world too where we find babies. Special. Spain, Iraq. See the baby's headdress? And loved. Rwanda, Bhutan. The end. Global babies. Did you like this book? This was a simple book that introduced you to the diversity of babies in our world and the various countries that they may come from. Moms and dads, as you continue your read time with baby, I would love to hear from you what you are doing, how your child is responding, whether or not he or she is getting those basic words. When they see the words, they associate the words with a symbol and they know exactly what they are. Share with me your experiences. Send me a video, send me your questions and your comments, and let's work together to raise the next generation of successful children. This is Dr. Yonnette thanking you for joining me this morning and saying to you, have a great and wonderful time introducing your child to reading.